Hello. Today we're going to talk about the most recent headlines and developments in the financial markets. And currently we're seeing that the attempted insurrection in Russia across the weekend dominated headlines, of course, but it didn't seem to occupy investors' minds. Instead, macroeconomic factors are likely to remain the main drivers of risk assets. And also, we're seeing that the tech stocks slumped across the board as investor enthusiasm over artificial intelligence fizzled out and was replaced by a more clear eyed view of today's economic conditions. We're also seeing that overall, the headlines that we're getting is it from UK, especially if you look at the mortgage markets there after the rate hikes by the Bank of England. Many people are predicting that we are diving into the next mortgage crisis in the UK, and this is also going to be a driver of sentiment going forward. So we should also see that sentiment is going to be the major issue. Why has tech fizzled out a little bit? Because, of course, the artificial intelligence drivers have not been performing too well. And this excitement has calmed down now, back to the fact that we are looking more at the economic data and trying to figure out what's going on with the economy. And the economy is not doing too well. So the predictions right now are pointing to a recession going forward, but we've been waiting for a recession now quite for an extensive period of time. So this is again coming back to the fact that we have to have more assurance from the data that we are diving closer to a recession, or we are heading to a solution that would still make it possible for the economy to prosper further. So we have seen that the predictions for the market's performances, they are constantly being rated downwards, and we are now in a phase where market participants are simply still waiting for more data and more clearness of what the next steps should be. So we will figure out, I would say, in a short period of time, but we are still in a phase where the data is missing for a clear cut decision on whether we are in a phase where you should get out of the markets or you can still afford to remain invested. So, for the time being, no better news. If you would like to have constant updates on what's going on in the markets, please like and subscribe. Thank you.